Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file 1099 quarterly taxes. First, understand if you need to pay estimated taxes. If you're self-employed or a small business owner and expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, you likely need to make quarterly payments. These payments cover your income tax, self-employment tax, and any other taxes you might owe throughout the year. It's crucial to avoid penalties. Next, accurately calculate your estimated tax. Begin by projecting your total income and deductions for the entire tax year. The IRS provides Form 1040-ES, Estimated Tax for Individuals, which is a helpful worksheet for this calculation. Remember to account for any tax credits you might be eligible for, as these can significantly reduce your overall tax liability. Careful planning here prevents overpayment or underpayment. Now let's talk about payment deadlines and methods. The 4 quarterly payment due dates are typically April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. It's wise to adjust your payments if your income fluctuates throughout the year to avoid penalties. You can easily pay online using IRS Direct Pay or through the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, also known as EFTPS. These are convenient options. Finally, diligent record keeping is essential for accurate quarterly tax filing. Keep meticulous records of all your income, expenses, and any other financial transactions. Regularly reviewing your tax situation helps ensure you're paying the correct amounts and can prevent surprises at year-end. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.